G'day, I'm Warwick, and this is our backyard. So my wife and I, about 3 years ago now, quit our jobs on the mainland, got a job on this island as caretakers. It's a privately owned island in the Great Barrier Reef, and this is just us living the simple life really, us and 3 chickens. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go get into it. So I thought I'd do a little video on how peaceful it is on the island. Try and capture the quietness of the island. I call it the sound of silence, but it's not silent, but it's all natural noises, nature. It's the first thing we notice is when we go back to the mainland is artificial noises on the island. It's so nice. I remember the first time I came to the island, I was here by myself as well, so it probably made a difference too, but I was here for the first 2 months before Andrea came to the island, so it was extra quiet. It was just me, but I sat here at the breakfast bar and looking out to the ocean, and just sat here and thought, man, this is so quiet. So I'm going to try and capture some noises of the island. See how I go. Another nice place on the island just to sit and listen to the sounds is our backyard. The chickens are hanging around at the moment, so you'll probably hear them. But we get a lot of birds. Probably hear some in the background. And it's just such a nice spot out here underneath the shady trees. Even at night time, when you think it's going to be dead quiet, there's always a bit of nature around, island sounds. This is the nightjar. It's pretty cool. Somewhere up in the bush. This is a really nice spot just to come and chill out up at the lookout. So one morning we were laying in bed and I set the GoPro up on the windowsill. This is what sounds were outside. Another cool sound on the island is one of the beaches here has a lot of coral on it, and you listen to the waves, and the waves go out, the coral starts singing. This is a pretty nice spot to just chill out and listen to the sound of nature in our hammock. You can just hear the sounds of the ocean. Look at this nice spot we found. It's a really hot day, but it's nice and cool. Sitting in the shade, there's a little bit of breeze. Listen to the water running through the rocks. I was just sitting here this morning having my breakfast and listen to these sounds. It's just started to rain as well. I'll put the camera down here and just have a listen. You can hear nature everywhere, the rain, the birds, the ocean. Sometimes the chickens disturb the peace on the island. Hey girl, you must have laid an egg, did you? And sometimes you'll get one on the nest and another one's wanting to go on the nest to lay an egg, so they're yelling at each other. Oh, that's what's happening now. What's the matter, girl? One on the nest. No, one's on the nest at the back there. Hey girl. So that one's yelling at that one, saying, hurry up, I want to lay an egg. So as you can see, the island's definitely not quiet, but it's not human noise. Probably shouldn't be sound of silence, it probably should be sound of nature, but that's what I think it is. It's silent compared to all the human noise that you hear in a big city and that. So actually even standing here right now, the breeze has picked up and well, you can hear the chickens in the background, but you can hear the wind in the trees. Even that's pretty nice. Actually a cool little thing to do would be let me know, stop right now and have a listen, see what you can hear, and let me know what you can hear. Alright, that's it anyway. Till next time. Bye.